Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so today we are going to be making our own planners. So start by going to docs.google.com or Google Slide or new Google Slides in your Google search tab. And you'll pop up with a blank one. Delete any text boxes that you have and then go to background. We're going to be making the background whatever color you want, you may pick. I am doing this, if I have it. I didn't copy over it. Okay, we are going to be doing the hex code color for rose gold. Love rose gold, favorite color. Okay. Anyways. And then once you have your color picked up, you're going to want to go to File. And you're going to want to scroll down. And click on Page Setup. Once you're there, you're going to put Standard. Widescreen. No. Let's see what standard is. This is a good color for like a planner type thing. For this page. Let's see what widescreen does. I can work this, okay. So yeah, you want to put standard in. I'll teach you guys this. Now, what I like to do is I like to pick out an image, a shape, a thing, something that's going to represent me. So my thing is going to be heart. If I can find where the heart is, H-A-R-T. I'm surprised they don't have a heart. So, I mean, I could make one. But that's hard work. So we're just going to go with a different shape. Okay, so I have to pick out a square. We're going to do like a bordery type thing. So you see that outline of a square. So now what you're going to do is pick a color. I'm going to do white. For my square. I'm just going to line it up. Completely line it up so that there's no rose gold showing beneath the white. That might be a bit of a tricky task for some of y'all. Okay, perfect. Now you're just lining this up is going to be... Okay, there we go. Now, in the white, you see the white border. And then you want to add a text box. Okay. Then you want to put your font. Not your font. Pick your size at 20. And bold it. I didn't save it. And then for your font, you want to do whatever font you think looks pretty and that you can read. I like this one just for my numbers and things. Then you want to and pick your color. Custom color again. Pinks and purples are the hex code colors I'm going for. Those are the type of colors I'm going for. With my thing, it's like a light pink kind of thing that I'm going for. So that's why I searched up light pink hex code and all. So, and then I change, before I do anything, I want to change my... So my light pink hex code, and then we are going to type in 23 through 2024, and then once you have that, you're going to click Control A, and you can make it as big as you want. I make mine about that big, 60, and then I'm going to move it up. Here. Make the text just a bit smaller because it's okay, perfect. So then you have your 2020, 2024 plan thing. Then what I like to do is I like to go to Insert and then Images and then search the web and search for things that I want my planner to have in it. So for me, it's a heart, but then I want a very specific color of heart. So if I want to, let's think. Marble heart. If I want, I'm gonna do a pink heart because I feel like that's gonna be a really cute one to go with. So then I'm gonna scroll through these images. Until I find one I feel like resonates with me. And I'm going to double check. And the image is going to come up. And then I'm going to size it to the size that I want my heart to be. So I'm going to put that heart in the upper right hand corner there and make it pretty. Then I'm going to go to Insert, Image, Photos. I have a ton of photo saves in my Google Photos, so that is what I'm going to be using today. I need to see if this is uploaded. It hasn't synced. Because if I'm looking on my phone here, I have a lot more pictures. But okay, so we're still going to use that because I want this to be a personalized thing. Just have to scroll back a bit. I hate this. I will be back with you when I figure out how the photos work. My bad. I found the picture that I wanted, so now we are going to use it. Now, excuse the tears and all the moping. Of that, but we are going to put that one. And then I'm going to insert. Boy, and see what comes up. I should have a bunch of like pictures of like McCutcheon or something. But I actually don't know, so let's see. They can say that boy. None of those are boys! That's my friend. Yeah. I will be back with you guys when I find it. Okay, y'all. So now these images inserting. I know exactly what the images you guys don't need to see. Sorry. So I just turned on some music so that I could focus a bit better. I film with music on a lot of the time, but I can't get copyrighted and everything. So I have my headphone in, so if you guys see that, that's what you guys are seeing. So the image is still loading, so I'm just gonna like size it up to what I want. Okay, so now something that we want to do is this is okay. We want to add what we want, but you want to make a calendar so it's like a table type thing and everything. So what you want to do is you want to copy, Control C, Control V. But then you don't want this. You don't want your square. Mm-hmm. You will add your square back in a little bit if it's needed. If you have extra space because you didn't do a step or something. I'll teach you guys. But anyways, you want to insert table. So now I'm gonna pull up a standard calendar for January. We're starting in actually let's do July to June, just 25/7. I need a calendar. Okay. Here's 30 days. Insert table. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. Rows in there, I don't know. How do they do it row-wise so that I know how many rows to have? But six. Okay. And I see you again. It's come a long way. Okay. So now that this is here, the border is my biggest problem. Always forever. And it's not the color that I want, so I just make it so that it blends in with everything so you don't see it. Okay. Hello, let me type. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Can't type if it's not here. Okay, sorry. I'm getting a bit ballistic, but I want my font size for these to be 20. And we're going to bold it too. We also want it to be. I'll come back once that's done. You just do that the whole way through. Okay, so now what needs to happen is you need to have your calendar again. I don't know how many days are in every month. So this month starts on the 1st, but because so we start on the 25th and go from there. 20. Shoot, I have to do this. Okay, Control V the S. But then we want to also slowly smaller the text, and we don't want to bold it. So we want about 20. This is what you want your 20. What you want to do here is you want to make it Sunday. So this is the 25th of June. So actually, what I think I'm going to do here is get a text bubble, and grab it, and put it in that corner. And then I'm going to do 25 in that corner. And then I'm going to copy and paste that over until but by changing dates. We'll change the dates that are Control V. Okay, so now you just change your dates. I'll do that and come back. Okay, so now that you've done that, I'm just going to delete this quickly and do so then you want to size this to your space. So bring it in a little bit and bring it down. This is going to be the size that you have to type in your calendar as well. Okay. I did not need that opening anyways. Then you want to go down the tiniest bit if you need your month. If you're fanatic over like what the month is and things, size it down a bit. So once I'm done, there's the rim. Then I click and put this in. And I want to then you put in your month, you go. Just I'm gonna why did I do that? And then I'm gonna control it. Hold it, and I'm going to wait it, and I'm going to my radio. Wow, sorry. Oh, yeah. And then I just want to move it over just a bit. Centered, okay. And then that's that. So then you have your calendar. And then you just copy and paste every month. So what I like to do is I like to do Control C, Control V, August, September, October, December, January. there was a pump. I'm gonna give it to you. I know everything about you. This time I'll leave you. Sorry, I started singing. I didn't realize you guys were here. Anyway, so you go July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. And then, see how many slides do we have? 4. So, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July.
You earn a token.
July, August, September, October, November. Wait. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. January, February, December, January, February, December, November, February, December, November, October, September, August, July, March, April, May, June. Okay, so then after you do all that, all you're going to do is you're going to like update your months and things, which I'm going to do after this video. But then you want to add control one more slide. That's all I'm going to do. No, actually, I don't want that one slide. I'm going to copy this slide. Your starting slide, you want to take off your images and your pictures. And then you want to put weeks. And then you're going to put you're going to use this for your weeks. So you're just going to copy and paste this down. But you can type in Monday, I have a therapy appointment. Tuesday, jump off the roof. Those type of things so that you don't forget them. And then you can just call this your planner. As simple as that. You have your month, so you can write them softball Monday. But then you also have that week thing, if you have a homework assignment due, but you don't want to put it there. And I think that is very helpful. If you guys want to have a Google Sheets version of this, like up the video and get me to 100 likes. Once we get 100 likes, I'll make a part on how to make a calendar in Google Sheets. Bye! Have a great day, and I hope you learned something today. Love you all. Bye.